There's the laser, the chiller. There's the new blower. Manufacturer date. There's that. It's dusty. There's the LED lighting we put in there. Camera up there. And that's the other side. We had cut a couple of this mat with, which was like a woven vinyl, so it sealed the edges. We were just trying a new product. Probably made like 20 of these, and then that was it. We cut some paper and a little bit of acrylic. Yeah, we made a template here for cutting the leather. And other than those 5 signs, 5 boards, the acrylic and the little letters, that's really all we've done on that machine. Everything else is done on our CNC, which is cutting that vinyl and that paper I was telling you about.